Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Unlock the secret to a delicious meal with chuck eye steak, often hailed as the poor man's ribeye, thanks to its incredible flavor and budget-friendly price. This lesser-known cut delivers a rich, beefy taste, remarkably similar to a premium ribeye because it comes from the same muscle group. It's truly an amazing choice for any meal, proving you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy a fantastic steak. Get ready to elevate your home cooking with this hidden gem. For the best results, always bring your chuck eye steak to room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. This simple step ensures the steak cooks evenly from edge to center, preventing a cold core. Generously season all sides with coarse salt, fresh black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder to build a flavorful crust. Remember to pat the steak completely dry before adding any seasoning. This critical step helps you achieve that beautiful, irresistible sear later on. Achieve that restaurant-quality crust by preheating a cast iron skillet until it's smoking hot. This extreme heat is crucial for developing a beautiful, deep sear on your chuck eye. Add a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed, and swirl it gently to coat the entire pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the screaming hot skillet and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know it's ready when a gorgeous, golden brown crust forms. Once seared, transfer your chuck eye steak, still in the hot cast iron skillet, to a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. This method allows the steak to cook through gently and evenly. For precise results, use a reliable meat thermometer to check the internal temperature of your steak. Aim for 125 degrees Fahrenheit for rare, 135 for medium rare, and 145 for medium. Always cook to your preferred level of doneness. Once your chuck eye steak reaches its perfect internal temperature, immediately remove it from the oven and transfer it to a clean cutting board. The most critical step now is to let it rest for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes, loosely tented with foil. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and juicy. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked steak against the grain into thick, succulent pieces. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.